Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to create account in Fantasy Premier League. Now to do that, first thing you need to do is download the application, that is Premier League app. Once you download it, you tap open that application. You are currently at the home page. Now here you need to tap on get started. Tap that. Who is your favorite team? The first thing you need to do is choose your favorite team. Tap on it and then tap on continue. Would you like to follow any other Premier League teams? If you want, you can tap on yes pick teams, and from there you can choose other teams that you want to follow in Premier League. So for the tutorial, I'm just gonna add few and then tap on continue. Would you like to receive emails from the Premier League or your chosen teams? If you want to have your emails, you can tap on yes choose email. I'm just gonna tap on no thanks. Would you like to receive notification from the Premier League? If you want the notification every now and then, you can tap on the option yes choose notification. If you do that, you can choose the notification that you want in your mobile device, that is about the teams, Premier League updates and fantasy updates. You can tap on the toggle moving it to the right side, which will enable the notification. So I'm just gonna go with the no thanks option. Finish setting up your account. Create a password to register an account for free. You will get access for Fantasy Premier League, exclusive fan services, personalized content, edit your preference. Now all you have to do is tap on the checkbox agreeing to the terms and condition. Then tap on yes create account. Now you will need to provide the details over here. Type in your first name. Below you type in your last name. Type in the email address. Then type in the password. And then you need to choose your gender. After that, you provide your date of birth. Then you need to select your country, region of residence. You tap on the drop down menu and from there you choose your country region. Provide your phone number. It's optional, so you can either leave it or provide the phone number. Then tap on continue to choose favorite. Personal details, your favorite email preference. So before you go forward, you need to choose your favorite club. I'm just gonna tap on that. Do you want to keep an eye on others? If you want to follow other clubs, you tap on follow clubs and you can choose the other options from here as well, like that. Then tap on next. Now club emails. Would you like to hear from clubs you support? If you want to do that, you tap on the checkbox marking a tick. That is, you will be able to get the club email on your email address. Second is Premier League emails. If you want, you can tap on the checkbox where Premier League will send you information such as announcement, fixtures and broadcast schedule or Fantasy Premier League updates. Likewise, there are partners email. If you want, you can tap on all the options over here, and at the very end you tap on the checkbox agreeing to read and agree to terms and condition. Then tap on complete registration. Please check your inbox for confirmation email allowing you to finish this process. Tap on OK. Now you need to go and check out your mail for the final confirmation. Tap open Gmail. There's the Premier League on the top. Tap open that. Now all you have to do is tap on activate account. Tap that. With that, your email address will be confirmed and you will be able to move forward with the application. Now here you tap on login. Tap on sign in on top. Get logged in into the account with the email address and password. Type in the password. Tap on sign in. And with that, your account has been created. So this is how you can create your account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.